Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's a conversation that's buzzing everywhere, isn't it? The idea that artificial intelligence is stepping into roles traditionally held by real people. It can feel a little unsettling, even a bit futuristic, to think about. But let's dive into this together, not with fear, but with curiosity and a clear understanding of what's actually happening. When we talk about AI replacing people, it's rarely a simple one-to-one swap. Think about it. AI excels at tasks that are repetitive, data-intensive, or require incredible speed and precision. This means that in areas like data entry, basic customer service inquiries, or even certain types of analysis, AI can indeed handle the workload more efficiently. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. It frees up human minds for more complex, creative, and empathetic work. Consider the medical field. AI is becoming an invaluable tool for doctors, helping to analyze scans with incredible accuracy, identify potential diseases earlier, and even assist in surgical procedures. Is the AI replacing the doctor? No, it's augmenting their abilities, giving them superpowers to provide better care. It's about partnership, not replacement. In creative industries, AI can generate drafts of text, create basic visual elements, or even compose simple melodies. But the spark of true originality, the nuanced storytelling, the emotional depth that connects with us on a human level, that still comes from us. AI can be a fantastic assistant, a brainstorming partner, but it doesn't possess our lived experiences, our passions, or our unique perspectives. Think about the jobs that are evolving. Instead of being replaced, many roles are being redefined. We're seeing a rise in AI trainers, people who guide and refine these systems, ensuring they operate ethically and effectively. We're seeing more demand for AI ethicists, individuals who help us navigate the complex moral landscape of these powerful technologies. These are entirely new professions, born from the very advancements that some fear. The key here is adaptation. Throughout history, technology has always changed the way we work. From the printing press to the internet, each innovation has shifted the landscape, and we've always found new ways to thrive. This is no different. It's an opportunity for us to upskill, to focus on the uniquely human qualities that AI cannot replicate: critical thinking, emotional intelligence, creativity, and genuine connection. It's important to approach this with a balanced perspective. While some tasks may be automated, the need for human ingenuity, empathy, and judgment will only grow. The future isn't about AI versus humans. It's about how we can collaborate with AI to achieve things we never thought possible. It's about leveraging these tools to solve bigger problems, to innovate faster, and to ultimately improve our lives. So, as we move forward, let's embrace the possibilities. Let's focus on developing the skills that make us uniquely human and learn how to work alongside these incredible new technologies. It's an exciting time, and by staying informed and adaptable, we can ensure that the future of work is one that benefits us all. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this discussion helpful, please consider following for more insights into our evolving world.